Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to move a OneNote notebook to another account. Alright, let's begin. First, open OneNote and click on File in the top left corner of the screen. From there, select Share to access the notebook sharing options. Next, click on Manage Notebook Access. A dialog box will appear showing the current sharing permissions for the notebook. In that window, click the Add Person icon located in the top right corner. Now, enter the email address of the account you want to move the notebook to. Once the email appears in the suggestions, select it and click Grant Access. This will send an invitation to the target account. After that, sign into the inbox of the other email account and locate the invitation email from Microsoft. Open the email and click the Open button. You'll then be prompted to sign in with the target Microsoft account. Follow the on-screen instructions to accept the invitation and access the notebook from that account. Once completed, the notebook will be available in the new account, allowing you to access and manage it there. So that's basically how you can move a OneNote notebook to another account. That's it for this video. Thanks!